Norvi Ring is marketed as a men's wellness ring that claims to enhance male performance, increase stamina, improve vitality, and boost confidence through its design or materials. The marketing can make it sound like a simple solution, but the real question is, does it actually enhance male performance? Now, to be fair, rings and wearable accessories can have personal or symbolic value. However, there is no strong scientific evidence that simply wearing a ring can improve sexual performance, testosterone levels, or male vitality. What it does well: stylish accessory. The ring can serve as a fashionable piece of jewelry for everyday wear, comfortable to wear. Many wellness rings are designed with lightweight, durable materials. Where the hype falls apart, there's no strong evidence it improves male performance. Claims that wearing a ring boosts stamina, libido, or sexual function are not supported by high-quality clinical research. It's not a medical treatment. A ring cannot treat erectile dysfunction, low testosterone, or other underlying health conditions. Results are subjective. Any perceived benefits are likely to vary between individuals and may be influenced by personal expectations. So, should you buy the Norvi Ring? Short answer: yes, if you're buying it as jewelry, not as performance enhancer. If you like the design, it may be worth considering as an accessory. But don't expect it to improve your sexual performance or overall health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.